Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Khera. So today is our seventh video on the Linux tutorial. So today's topic is LVM. We have created one video on LVM also. On that particular video, we understand what is LVM and how it works. And we have created the LVM with the help of fixed size. Whatever the size we want, that we have created. But today we create this LVM with this help of extend. So you can read the definition, what is extend and what is the benefits of that. Okay, so let's see what is the difference between fixed size and extend. Basically, the extend provide the exact storage space which we mentioned during the time of logical volume manager creation. And the fixed sizes, it give us the round of value. Okay, round of value means, let's understand, physical extend size is 4 MB, okay, or we can say, or logical volume or LVM totally depends upon the physical extent size. Okay, so physical extent by default, physical extent size is 4 MB, and we have given during the time of creation of LVM, we have given 22 MB, right? We have allocated a space to the LVM 22 MB, and the system will round off the size of 24 MB. Like, the size of the LVM should be multiple of the size of physical extent. If the physical extent size is 4 MB, then the and we have provided the 22 MB, so it will create the volume of logical volume with the size of 24 MB. Like, 24 is a multiple of 4, and we have given the 22 MB size. So whatever the nearest and higher value of 22 or the size we have provided, right? Very simple. So let's deep dive into and create it. Okay. So earlier we have created physical volume and volume group also. So let's see if we have free size here. So we have a free size of 296 MB. So we can create the logical volume here. Okay. If you don't know how to create the physical volume or volume group, then you can see my previous video that I will give the link in a description of this video. Okay, so let's create the LVM with the help of lv create command, but with the help of physical extend. Okay, so let's do -l for the physical extend. How many first I'll show you the size of physical extend. LVM, sorry, LVS VGS for the details of volume group, and VG display for the details of volume group. Okay, so this is our volume group, and the physical size is 4 MB, right? The size of physical volume is 4 MB, right? We can change it at the time of creation of volume group, right? We can change it. So how to change it? Let's do. We are not creating it. I'll show you how to create the, or how to give the this physical size. It was we saw that it was only 4 MB. So if we want, for that we want to create new volume group for that. Okay, vg create, okay, hyphen s, and 8 MB is the size and vg2 is the name. Okay, and then def slash sdb, whatever you have, the partition. Okay, so in this way we can create the volume group with our choice of physical extent size. By default it will take 4 MB with this value. Okay, so let's create the volume group, sorry, logical volume lv create hyphen l. Okay, and we will provide the 5 extent, so it will give us the 20 MB space. Okay, 5 extend means 20 MB space. 5 into 4 is equal to 20, right? So hyphen n. What is the name of our volume? That is LV1, and let's give the full name So it's VG1 slash LV1. VG1 is volume group name and LV1 is logical volume name. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, invalid path. Let me check. LVS, LV1, VG1. That is okay. Okay, let's. Okay, okay, okay. LV1 is already created, so we will create. Okay, so now we have successfully created the LV2 volume, right? Earlier we was giving the wrong path, so this is our exact path. This is the partition. This is the volume group. This is the logical volume name. So let's see the size. LVS2, here it is 20 MB size as we gave the 5x10, right? So what we saw in example, let's see that also. LV create. Okay, we will try to create the help of fixed size. Okay, and the size should be, suppose we will give 20 MB. Okay, 20 MB the size, and the name dash tape slash, sorry, hyphen, and we are getting new volume hyphen, and name is, suppose it's LV3, and slash tab slash VG1 is the or volume group name, right? Okay, so let's create. Look at that. Rounding up the size of full physical extent 24 MB, right? We gave the, we provided the number 22 MB, but it give us 24 MB. Okay, let's see the details. Here it is. We have created 3 volumes. Okay, so what next we will do? We need to mount it somewhere. So let's create one directory mkdir slash. Okay, let's create lv any, okay, we can create it. Okay, let's say logical. We can take name of logical. Okay, so let's see logical. Okay, here it is. We have created successfully the directory of logical. Now what we do, we are going to map the volume with it. Let's see. First we see the OR partition type. So here it is. You can see this is our volumes which we have created, right? Okay, so what we do, we have to provide the file system table to our volume groups. Okay, slash tab slash vg1 slash lv2, okay, and lv3, right? Let's see the system again. So here it is. We gave successfully give the file system table to the our volumes xfs4. Okay, so let's mount it. We will use mount hyphen tab slash eg1 slash lv2 or 3, okay, on logical drive as we have created. Okay, so let's see that again. So what we have, we did successfully, we have mounted that lv2 volume on the slash logical hard drive, right? Okay, so what will the next step? We have to add entry or make an entry in FS tab to make it permanent, right? Permanent mounting. It is temporary mounting. So what we'll do, we have to do the permanent mounting to do the entry in FS tab. So for that, what we do, we use the command vi slash etc, sorry, slash etc, and FS tab means file system table. Okay, so here is the entries. Okay, what we have to do, we have to copy the full path, right? We have to copy the full path from there. Okay, press insert to make changes, that is slash tab slash VG1 slash LV2 is your volume group name, and we have mounted on slash logical. Okay, and the file system type is XFS. Okay, defaults and 0. Okay, let's column WQ save and quit. Right, so we have done the entry in FS tab. To see it, let's run the mount command. Just so here is the entry which we did in a FS tab. So right now here you can find the mapper word. Just okay. If you want to see that mount, here you see the mapper word, right? So why this mapper word? But we didn't mention any mapper word, or we didn't use any mapper word in our LVM creation in this video or earlier video, right? So why it came? So what is the mapper? So in the starting of the LVM, I have already told you that it will do the block mapping. What LVM do? It is doing the block mapping. Okay. So mapper is a device which works on block mapping, that is known as mapper, right? That is known as mapper. Okay. So this is the second video on LVM. Hope you understand how to create or from how to create the LVM from fixed size or from the you can say from physical extent, and how we can give the manually give the physical extent, right? So please like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please write your comments also. If you like, if you don't like, please do comments also, so that I can improve it, and I can provide the more informative videos for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. So friends, we have successfully created the LBMs with the help of fixed size and with the extent, right? So here you can see we have now we will see how to extend a particular LBM size, right? How to extend the size of logical volume. Okay, so before that we will see the volume group size, VGS, right? So we have free size is 240 MB. So we can extend it. We will, but we will extend this LV3, right? This one, this VG1 hyphen LV3, this particular logical volume we will extend. For that we will need to run the command LV extend hyphen L, and how many extend we want to, how many physical extend we want to increase or extend. Okay, so suppose this is a 36, so our physical size is 4, and if we extend the 4 size, then what the size it will be, it will increase the 16 MB, and the or we will do 5 M, 5 extend we will extend, 5 extend we will increase, then the size should be 56 MB, right? This size should be 56 MB, or even we can check it from the LVS command also. Here you can see the size of 36 MB here, right? So let's extend it. LV extend hyphen L plus 5 and hyphen R, the name of our LVM slash LV3, right? This is the command LV extend, and this is the hyphen L used for to resize it, how much extend we want to increase, and how, this is the name of our particular LVM which we want to increase in size. So let's okay, so here we see our logical volume successfully resized, right? So let's see the size here. You can see 56 MB, and if we go to the look at this is the 56 MB, which was earlier 36 MB. Okay, if you want to check it from here, you can check it from here also, right? Okay, so we didn't map it, so you can't find it from here. You can only see it from the LSBLK command. Okay, we have successfully increased the size of our LVM, right? So thanks for watching. Hope you like the video.